Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to HTML for Complete Beginners. Today I'm going to learn you how you can add title in your computer in your HTML website in a very simple way. As you can see there, I added a learning HTML. So how are you going to add it? This video I'm going to show you in a very simple way. So let's get started. So first you just need to give a HTML open tag and try to make it HTML close it. So basically we will going to follow the structure, how you going to use the HTML tag. So how you going to do it? So before the using title, we will going to add a head tag, and you just need to use the close head tag. And in between these, we just need to add a title over here called title. And then here we will going to type learning HTML and going to close the title tag. And that's it. Now if you just save this over here, and then if you now go for this index.html, you can see, as you can see, that learning HTML is now rightly showing in our computer in a very simple way. So it's an title over here. So this is how we can add a title in our HTML website. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another video. Till then, goodbye.